Today, I'm sharing my honest experience with the Rowenta Access Stainless Steel Soleplate Steam Iron, model DW2459. And after using it regularly, I can confidently say this iron is built for people who care about performance, safety, and convenience. First, let me talk about the design and build quality. As soon as I took this iron out of the box, it felt solid and premium. The stainless steel sole plate is smooth, heavy enough to feel durable, and clearly designed to last for years. Rowenta is known for engineering quality, and you can really feel that here. The black color gives it a clean, modern look that fits well in any home setup. One of the standout features for me is the powerful steam diffusion system. This iron has over 350 micro holes across the sole plate, and that makes a big difference. The steam spreads evenly across the fabric, not just in one spot. When I'm ironing cotton shirts, jeans, or even thick linens, the wrinkles disappear much faster compared to cheaper irons I've used before. With 1725 watts of power, it heats up quickly and maintains consistent performance. Another feature I really appreciate is nylon and even silk, and it performs consistently across all fabric types. The temperature controls are simple and user-friendly, making it easy to adjust based on what I'm ironing. The handle is comfortable to hold, even during longer ironing sessions. Now, let's be honest about the price and shipping, especially for international buyers. The iron itself is priced around $79.99, which I think is fair considering the quality and features. However, shipping and import charges to Bangladesh are extremely high, which is something you need to consider. If you can get it locally or through a better shipping option, it becomes a much more reasonable purchase. Overall, after using the Rowenta Access Steam Iron DW2459, I understand why it has a 4.2 out of 5-star rating and over 11,000 reviews. It's powerful, reliable, and thoughtfully designed. The combination of strong steam performance, durable stainless steel sole plate, retractable cord, and advanced safety features makes it a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their ironing experience.